Hi everybody, we will see how to enable a e-feature in Microsoft Edge browser in Windows 11. We are trying to load one website which has dependency on a Microsoft Edge. So you see whenever I am trying to load this website, it is saying that it requires Internet Explorer to read. We are searching Internet Explorer in Windows 11, but we cannot find it because no more it is available in Windows 11. So for fixing this issue, we need to follow two steps. One, we need to install IE compatible feature in Windows 11. So for this, we will search optional features in the settings. So here we will try to search Internet Explorer mode, which is available and installed in my system. So you can see it is available here, and it is showing here uninstalled because it's already installed. So if it is not installed, then you see there is an option called add optional feature. So here you can search the Internet Explorer mode, and you will find the, if it is not installed, it will list over here in the down section, and then you need to select that feature and click on the next. As of now it is available in my system, so I will just cancel it, and we will proceed. Next step is second step, which is enable IE mode in Microsoft Edge. So for this, what we will do, we will go to Microsoft Edge, and then we will open menu, then setting, then come to default browser, and here we have Internet Explorer compatibility. You see it is selected to incompatible sites only. Second option is allow sites to be reloaded. You must have to make it allow, and then it will ask your browser to need to be restarted. You need to restart it. Once your browser will restart, so we need to add the internet browser mode pages. For that, we will go to the website which we need loaded, click on add, paste the URL, add, and you will see that the date has been added, and it will show also the expiry date. Now try to reload the page, and it will load your website successfully. You can see now it is able to load, and you can use it further. That's it in this session. Thank you for watching. Keep spreading knowledge. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.